Hey, what's up, traders? Monday, November 30th, 8:10 a.m. Here are the morning ideas. All right, gang. Pretty low volume overnight. And the market did pretty much exactly what we wanted it to do yesterday, which is kind of rare. And let's pull up yesterday's trade. So here the low of the market yesterday was 39.41 or 42, let's just say, in that area, which coincides with about 39.50 on the cash, the SPX. And remember where that level comes from. We were looking for, the market could not hold above 4,000 here on Monday, and we pushed back in. And remember, we said we would likely get some chop, maybe an attempt to get back to 4,000 before coming back into the middle and eventually getting to 39.50. Now, we got to 39.50. Remember, these are areas and not exact prices. These thicker products like the ES, they typically respect the prices a bit better and don't slide through as much. But, still, we got where we wanted to get yesterday on the low side, 39.50, and we've bounced back up in the middle. This is kind of like a textbook trade in a market doing what we expect it to do in a lower volume environment. And that's kind of the lesson of the day here. Traders typically tend to want more volatility, more movement. However, the low volume kind of slow days are oftentimes easier to trade because they're more predictable. Okay, so we're trading 39.68 right now. We are in this area, and if I'm going to make this bigger, and I'll extend this out now, and it'll be a nice. Okay, so we have a little bit more volume on the lows. You can see it looks a little bit bottom heavy here. And we're trading right on top of VPOC. So if I'm looking at this a purely technical way, we would likely probably get some more trading down here to kind of like level out this balance. However, it doesn't have to happen, right? We've already tested down here yesterday, and we're back in the middle. So part of me says that, hey, we'll probably go up and test 4,000 now again, which is the top of. It's a little bit higher than that now, almost 40.10, which was that big area from last week. And then below, we have this 39.50 here kind of still looming. So when we're in these thick areas, it'll, again, the first thing you got to realize, it'll likely be pretty noisy because we're in an area that's thick. These thick areas tend to kind of swing back and forth aimlessly, not trend, and people end up chasing the trends and getting chopped to pieces in these areas. So I like to trade these areas from the outside in. You can't see my fingers here, from the outside in back towards the middle. So I'm looking for kind of rogue moves in one direction to trade that back into the middle. That's the way I trade it, especially when we have these low volume days, because you'll get yesterday is a good example. You get slow movement off of the open. We're not really going anywhere. Then you get this, one or two big bars, and everybody goes, okay, now we're going to trend. And all we do is just come right back into the middle. Okay. So that's it for today. Barstool Arizona Bowl promotion coming to an end here soon. So just wanted to make sure that everybody, takes advantage of that if you'd like. Also have some courses coming out with that we're going to give away to our traders, like some short-term stuff if you like to be a scalper, some longer-term stuff if you like to be a swing trader, intraday swing trader. Like, that's more like my style of trading. However, I've done it all, and I could show you kind of the best practices, even if I don't scalp myself, for instance. So anyway, that is it for today. If you guys have any questions, please let us know, and we'll see you guys soon.